Hey friends, are you also facing this issue on WhatsApp business? This account cannot create or send business broadcast. Why? I don't know, but don't worry. Today I will give you two simple and powerful solutions to fix this problem. But before start, I request do subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share helpful solutions like this every day. Now guys, we start our method one. Take a clear screenshot guys. Just like this one, I will take a screenshot of this problem. Take a screenshot and report it directly to the WhatsApp help team. Okay, the WhatsApp support team will either fix your issue or guide you with the exact solution. Okay, how you can connect with the help center. Click on the help center, then you just need to click get started or contact us. Click contact us, otherwise you can report your problem from here. I click on contact us, then start chatting. You can chat with your WhatsApp support team. Click here, then just share your screenshot and start chatting with the WhatsApp support team. Method 1. Now guys, method 2. If the first method does not work, you can fix this by changing your WhatsApp business account number. How you can? Just click on the three dots, then go to settings. Okay, and guys, then go down account, then go a little down, change number. Guys, listen, this usually solve the problem instantly. So that's friends, try these two methods. One of them is contact with the WhatsApp help support team, and second one is change the WhatsApp business number. All right, and guys, yes, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, so you never miss more powerful tips and tips and tricks like this. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.